Who has them? Who would buy them? Seriously.
Dad. I've got a secret spot. Should I attend? Smoke or not to smoke?
I am the good one. I'm high, but I'm still the good one.
Bro, smoke weed. You want to be cool like me? That's how you get there.
Scuba, do not smoke weed. This is the devil.
Smoking teapot is the key to victory. Mary Jane is my lover.
It's like getting an axe and just chopping your arm off, and like that would hurt. Is that bad for you?
Thank you very much.
Do it.
Do it, yeah. Just do it, man. Dude, it's life changing. Oh, you're a whole new level.
If you smoke weed, pretty much you're getting an axe in the shoulder. Like, I don't know about you, bro, but seriously, it'll fucking hurt.
Like, dude, no one can even tell. No one.
Oh,
Halo.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, you made my smoke! No!
Save it.
No! No! Yes, I'm the champ.
Fucking hell, he's actually doing it.
Sorry, bro. That's where he did it. Why did I do it? There's so much.
Alex is right in there for the trap. Good, my son.
Gosh, you bitch. Yes, come on.
Oh, you did the dragon. You missed it. Okay.
Alpha, you having another one? You're so funny.
On such a good level, man.